Hi, for today's video, I will show you how to export and import tables data or database using Oracle Apex utilities. Okay, so let's start. Okay, after signing in Oracle Apex, so you have on your home page. So let us use SQL Workshop. Then you have options here. Click the utilities. Okay, then choose Data Workshop, load and unload data. So click this Data Workshop. And to export tables data, choose Unload Data here. So as you can see, I have here recently created tables. So these are my tables available. So click now Unload here to unload or export tables data. Okay, click Unload. And then click XML format. So you have your, so this is your username, and then you have your table. So click arrow down to show the table list that you have available. Say for example, I want to export the employees table. Okay, so these are the columns or fields available for this table. Then you have to select the columns that you want to export. So if you want to export all the columns, simply highlight all the columns, then click Unload Data here. Okay, clicking the Unload Data, it automatically, the exported data will be saved on your downloads folder on your computer. Okay, so let us now close this. Let's check our download folder. Okay, so we are now on my computer. So you have downloads here, folder, as you can see. This is the employee XML document. Okay, so this data now or file is ready to import on your Oracle. Okay, so let us import this XML on your Oracle Apex. Okay, so let us now import the tables data. So on your SQL Workshop, same way, you have to select utilities, then Data Workshop again. So this time we will use the load data to import tables data on your Oracle Apex. Okay, so load data now. Okay, then drag and drop file here. So simply go to your computer, then on your download folder. Okay, click the XML file or SQL file, and then drop here to download. Okay, so this is now the tables record. So we have here, so load to table. So first 12 rows to sample the columns. The preview below only display the first 6 columns. Okay, and 5 rows. To view the full preview, configure data load settings and set which columns to load. Please click configure button. So click now configure button here to select all the rows or records. Okay, so as you can see, my employee table has 12 records. Okay, so you have to So you can columns to load. You want to select what columns to be loaded. Since we want to load all the columns, so do not uncheck. So check means this column will be loaded. Okay, then rows to sample. So if you want to load only the first 200 rows, 1,000, 5,000, all rows. Okay, so I want to load all rows on my table. So click all rows. Okay, then click now save changes. Okay, so as you can see, so okay, so arrow down now. So you have to type now your table's name that you want to assign. So I want to name the table as employee copy because I have already employee table. So employee copy, and then click load data. Okay, then just wait to finish. Table employee copy created with 12 rows. Okay, so view the table here. Okay, you want to view the table. So I have now my employee copy here, and these are the columns loaded. Okay, so let us check the data of your table. So these are the data. So I have 12 rows. Okay, I imported. Okay, so that's it. I hope that this video is useful to you. If you find it useful, please don't forget to like, share this video. Thank you, and see you to my next video.